SINOMV is a high-tech enterprise dedicated to AI-powered industrial vision inspection technologies and equipment. We provide customers with digital transformation and smart factory solutions. Recognized as a national Little Giant enterprise with multiple national-level qualifications, designated by the National Press and Publication Administration as a pilot unit for the digital reform of the printing industry, and a key supporting enterprise for the printing industry digitalization. 3-year action plan, 2025 to 2027. We are committed to driving progress and transformation in printing through AI. Our Beijing headquarters and R&D center are located in Jinan Zhanghai Fortune Center, Shijingshan District, conveniently connected by metro lines S1, 6, and 11, directly accessible from Jinanchao Station. Here, we bring together AI large model industries and integrate high-end innovation resources, focused on developing smart factory solutions and related products. Our Suzhou factory, located in Suzhou Industrial Park, is responsible for production and delivery. Leveraging Suzhou's strong industrial ecosystem and workforce advantages, we ensure high-quality delivery, guided by the spirit of integrity, innovation, dedication, and efficiency, with the core value of creating value for customers. SINOMV is moving towards becoming an international leader in industrial vision and AI. We look forward to working hand in hand with you to drive industrial upgrading through technological innovation.